everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a collection video. Real quick, let's address the sweater. I don't know if it's appropriate, so sorry, but I just felt really inspired to make this video, which is why I'm coming on here looking like this for you guys. I know, I'm sorry. I really went all out today. I never thought I would have to say this, but I am kind of bending over because for whatever reason my tripod is not tall enough. If I stand up straight, I'm like out of the screen. So if I look funny or like my back is breaking, that's because I'm bent over. We're just gonna go and get started with my collection. I have this beautiful case from IKEA. I have no idea what it's called. I'll try to find it and link it for you guys below. I bought this a few years ago for my old house, and it worked really well for me then. I'm making it work for me now in my new room, but I like it. It's my style. It's very cute. So let's get into it. At the top of the cabinet you have these two glass doors, and then you have 4 shelves here, and then there are drawers that we'll get into down there in a minute. First bag we'll talk about in my collection is my Chanel Coco handle. I bought this pre-loved from a friend here on YouTube and Instagram. This is probably one of my favorite bags. I have 2 top bags in my collection, and this is one of them. I go back and forth. I can't decide which one I prefer more, but it's super great. So that is the first bag in my collection. All right, the second bag in my collection is actually the newest one to me. This is my YSL Collection bag in the size small. This is in suede in the color LG. Very beautiful. Haven't used it yet. I still literally have the tag on it. But I'm so excited for fall, you guys. I just cannot wait to use this bag. So it looks like so, and then the back has a full back pocket. Next we have my medium flap. This is the classic medium flap from Chanel. This I bought pre-loved, and I don't know if I'm using this correctly. Let me know if I'm not. I really honestly have no idea how to put it on there. But again, I store it unclasped, but this is what it looks like. I've used this a couple times. To be honest, I haven't used it very much, but I do love it. It's so beautiful. I was struggling with it for a while because I thought it was too fancy for me, and then I wore it with like a casual outfit and I freaking loved it, and I wore it for 2 days straight because I loved it so much. So that is my medium classic flap. All right, then we have my Chanel medium vanity case. This is the other bag that's in my top 2 favorite bags. I am obsessed with this color. I hope that it's showing up right. It's kind of like blown out from the light, but it is a beautiful turquoise color. I love it so much. I bought this pre-loved as well. I got this off Fashion File. It is so lovely, and I love the rainbow hardware. So cute. The strap is like that too. Love it. One of my faves. All right, the next one is a real good one. This I bought pre-loved off Fashion File as well. This is I think it's the small size, and it's the Gucci Marmont. It has the beautiful blue velvet, and then it has the embroidery on the front. I love the little deer. It's so cute with the flowers, the aged gold hardware, and then the inside is bright pink satin. So it's a really loud, fun bag, and I just really love it. I'm so excited to use it for fall and winter. All right, now we have an SLG here. This is my Louis Vuitton Agenda. This is very old. Well, not very old. I think it's from like, if I remember correctly, it's from like 2004-ish. So it's pretty old. I like it. I got it as a hand-me-down. It was my grandmother's. She used it as a wallet. I actually don't use it. I did try using it as a planner, which is what it's intended for, but it's so small to me, I just didn't ever reach for it. But this is something that will probably never leave my collection. Okay, next is the mini niece BB. I believe it's the mini, not the nano. It's like the medium size. So they have the niece BB, and then this is just the, oh, you guys, I don't know. I have been so focused on my small business and charcuterie and what different cheeses are, I can't even remember what this is freaking called. But this is the next one. I know this is a niece, but I think it's the mini size. I don't think it's the nano. I think the nano is a little bit smaller. The nano's the smallest. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. This is the medium size in the 3, but I use this for travel to carry my toiletries in. Alright, back to a bag for a quick second, and I have a Chanel wallet on chain. This is in a beautiful bright blue color, and it's caviar with ruthenium hardware. Super stunning. I love this bag. I love it so much. It has color transfer because I've used it so much. It's hard to see now, but believe me, it's there. And it makes me very sad every single day. Okay, back to SLGs. I have this mini Gucci makeup bag. This is in a denim material with the floral embroidery and the aged gold hardware, and then wait, it gets better. Here's a floral satin interior, you guys. Oh, this is exactly made for me. Like, this is me in a small leather good right here. Okay, then I have this little cutie. This is from Longchamp, and she is dirty, but that's okay. We still love her. It's a little coin pouch, which I'm actually currently using. So it just has leather here, and then it's like a nylon material. Very cute. Okay, now we're gonna go into the drawers. So the first thing in my drawer is my small Chanel O case, and this is in a light gray with gold, like a champagne gold hardware. Very nice, well loved, well used. This is what the interior looks like. It has a slip pocket and then, or two slip pockets. I can count. No, there's 3. Oh my god. And then this little guy here, a little divider. So that is there. Next, I currently use all the time, all day, every day, and that is my key pouch here. This is the 6 key ring holder from Louis Vuitton, and the color is poppy, so it's like a coral orange, corally pink orange. Beautiful, beautiful, love it. The next item I have is a O case, and this is in this beautiful periwinkle. I actually think the color is cornflower. You guys know how Chanel is, it's blue. But yeah, it's more of like a cornflower color. It's very pretty. Chevron, and it is in the matte. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'll try to hold it closer. It's in a matte caviar. It's very pretty. Then my favorite card holder ever, and this is from Chanel. This is in the dark turquoise, which is matching to my vanity case. It has the rainbow hardware. It is beautiful. I love this style with the big CC. I think it's called the Mademoiselle. No, is that right? I'm not sure. The style of it, but it's very cute. I love it. I have another O case, and this is black caviar with a light gold hardware. So this is a classic combination here. Very, very cute. This guy I'm also currently using, and this is my mini pochette in damier bean, which has the beautiful red interior. I have some stuff in it right now, but I love this so much, and I've pretty much used this every single day since I've owned it for like 5 or 6 years. Alright, I have another wallet, and this is the yellow, beautiful yellow zip around mini from Chanel. It has a chevron stitching on it, and it is in caviar leather with a champagne gold hardware. And it looks like that. Sticking with my favorite yellow color, I have another wallet from Chanel. This is the XL card holder flap in the beautiful mustard with a champagne gold hardware, but this one is in lambskin. It has a big back pocket, and it has 2 compartments and a little slip pocket. And then I have another card holder. This is in a blue with silver hardware. This is the only item I have with silver hardware left. It is in caviar as well. It has a smaller back pocket. And then on the inside, it's one section and then one guy there. So it's a little bit, let me show you, a little bit smaller. All right, getting to the end here. Okay, so next I have a Gucci compact card holder or wallet. This is in the Blooms print. So it has the beautiful pink and corally flowers all over it. When you open it up, it is a mauve leather, super pretty. I wanted the one without the zipper. And then it also has a cash section. All right, last wallet in my collection is from Louis Vuitton, and it is yellow. It is, I think technically saffron from Louis Vuitton. And it is in the Empreinte leather. I got this off Fashion File. I got a hell of a deal because it has a heat stamp here. But I love it. I think it's such a good color, such a good size and feel for a wallet. I really, really like this. All right, in the middle drawer then, in my cabinet, I have a couple handbags. I have my Longchamp crossbody. This is in just a wine color. I keep the little thing tucked in. But this is a very generous crossbody. And I also keep my Michael Kors crossbody bag in there, and this I've had for many years. It's just a really good crossbody. I like how like understated it is. I took the emblem, the MK, off because I didn't like it. But you really can't tell like what it is. I like it. A couple other things I have in there. I just have a wristlet from Coach. These are things I don't really use. I just keep in there to keep. And then I have this little clutch. I think this is from FabFitFun, to be honest. I don't know. And then I have a clutch from Rebecca Minkoff. I actually like this a lot. I've only used it once, but it's cute. I like it. And the last drawer is empty. That's actually where I keep my tripod. So now let's go down here. Hey guys, a little bit of a different angle. Sorry for that. Now I'm sitting on the floor. So the first one I have is my Gucci mini backpack, and this is the Supreme Bees. So it has the little gold bees all over. I love this backpack. It is so good. Got this in New York when I went with Sam. It was so much fun. It has the baby pink interior. I think it's like a micro suede. It's very soft. All around good backpack. And actually, I think I'm going to leave this out so I can use this next. Alright, then I have my Looping MM. This was my mother's. I've talked about it before. She gifted it to me. This was her one and only luxury bag that she ever purchased. Back in like... oh gosh, when is this bag from? I think this one is from 2004. And then I'm mistaking the other one for a different date. But this is a really nice canvas. This feels so good compared to other Louis Vuitton bags that I've had. But I never use it. It's just not my style, but I'm going to keep it forever because I promised her I would. All right, then I have my Tory Burch McGraw bag. I really like this style. I think it's super cute on. It has a really generous strap. So it's super comfortable to wear on the crooked or on your shoulder. Plus it's huge. Like it holds a ton, you guys. This is a really good bag. I love Tory Burch. They're my favorite contemporary designer. And this is a good one. I definitely recommend. All right, next is my Celine Nano. This is in the color Cloud. It is one of my favorite, most used crossbody bags for sure. I love this bag. It looks really good on camera, but there's some color transfer back here. I really like it. I think it's super great. It's a good crossbody on plus size. Oh, my camera's gonna die. I'm gonna try and get through this really quick, but I love this bag. Out of all of the Celine luggages that I've had, this is the only one I've kept. I love it. The next I have is this bucket bag. This is actually from TJ Maxx. It was like 20 bucks. I just wanted something that had like that sort of wicker look to it, so I could tie a little twilly on and make it look cute. Then I have a Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. This I've had for many years as well. It's in great condition. You guys have all seen it before. Love it. Good bag. Definitely recommend. Then I have my Kate Spade, and this is in a beautiful mustard color, and I'm blanking on the name of it right now for some reason, but very cute. It has a brown interior. It does come crossbody, and it is plus size friendly, so definitely recommend that as well. Okay, and here is the very last bag in my collection. I always forget to mention this because it's always being used. This is my Perry tote from Tory Burch. This is such a good bag. I'm so sad they discontinued it. I love the color. It has a gold interior. It is just such a good bag, you guys. I love this. Alright, so that is it for my handbag and SLG collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We actually made it before my camera died, surprising. So I will see you in the next one very soon. Have a good one. Bye.